Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD, and today's Friday, May 13th, 2022. I'm just outside enjoying the sunshine. It's about 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Yeah, I'm just warming up, but get me started. I could talk another 10 hours on carcinogens, I could talk 10 hours on mutagens, I could talk another 10 hours on radioactive and radiation exposure and ancestry. I could go on and speak volumes about my research and cancer research, and particularly I've been looking at breast cancer over the last little bit, and but there's many topics. People are just waking up, going to work and starting their vehicles. Many topics I can go on about regarding the particular pathological aspects of my research. It's considered pathology or pathophysiology. But my major is microbiology, and like I said, I took a PhD in microbiology back in 2004. I completed the course, and like I said, I finished the course in around 2009 as a doctorate degree in microbiology. So I specialized in that area. And before that, it was computer science and bioinformatics that got me involved with, building programs to navigate around problems and things like that. So building code and algorithms to solve biological problems and computer programming. The languages always change on every decade. The languages are changing, but it doesn't take me long to get back into the computer language. I haven't done it in quite a while, but the last program I built was I can't remember now, but it solved a lot of problems and permutations for different types of DNA algorithms and things like that. But it was like 3 years ago, the last program I built. But the next one I'm building is how to take images and find images instantaneously with biographs and biological graphs and things like that, astrographs and things like that. It's pertaining to calling images instantaneously and finding images. I got over a terabyte of images, biological graphs. So in that field, it's hard to find images, the images you're looking for, when you got over a terabyte of images on your hard drive. So I want to be able to call those images with a program and have them instantaneously pop up when I need them, you know what I mean? So that's just something I'm looking at, an image finder. It's pretty cool. It's not designed yet. I've designed it myself, but haven't actually wrote the program yet. So, but that's another topic I want to work on. So I left my recording battery on last night when I was pulling off my, I guess it took me quite a while to pull off my audio recordings and convert them over to a video online. I made, well, just one so far, but I couldn't get the timing right for the pictures and the audio clips. But I found this program online called Snippet, and you can just paste a bunch of photos with your audio clip and snip it and make yourself a video, an MP4 like 1280 by 720. Usually I do the standard resolution. I know it's like HD, they call it standard resolution now. They got much higher than that. I mean, I'm sure they got 8K out there, and of course 4K just came out quite a few years ago, but I'm sure they got 8K out there now, and you have to have a larger hard drive to store all those videos and photos if you're doing 8K. I couldn't manage 8K. I don't have enough money to pay for the hard drive space for one thing. Then you have to get the graphics card, and you have to get the monitor, and so on and so forth. And one could take a step further. You just need a whole new computer altogether. And then I also need a new printer with new printer ink and a USB hub for, I'm always crawling in the back of my computer to plug in USB ports. So I'm USB flash drives, and it's kind of difficult. I'd rather just have a hub right in front of me on the desk and plug everything in. I have to buy a hub, I have to buy a printer, I have to buy the cartridge for the printer. I got to buy, I definitely need a new computer in a few years. I mean, Windows, they're pushing for Windows 11 now, so it's kind of tight right now, though. I can't even afford groceries, to tell you the truth. I spent over $600 on groceries this month, and it covers a lot, but I mean, it could cover a whole lot more.